the external ear itself, the pinna, which 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, okay? It's all parts of the pinna.
1, what? 1,
2, 5, 3.
Just look right here.
Looking on there.
Okay.
Right here. Don't worry about the numbers, because everybody should be able to know. Pinna.
Okay.
Okay. The auditory canal is this one, number 4 here, that you're not supposed to put a Q-tip in.
Ooh.
Well, how do you clean your ear if you can't put it in?
My point exactly.
They say wax is good. I don't know why, but I think
Not
it's gross.
a lot of wax.
Not a lot. That's
You're
my
supposed to
opinion.
just do that with your mouth shut.
Sometimes that might
Oh,
be
but
because
you know when you
Yeah.
yeah, but when you put a swab in there and you pull out all this, yeah, ew. No. I just say be careful. Okay, so this is the auditory canal. Now the next parts are the middle ear. Consists of the tympanum, which I don't see a number for, but it is this membrane here, the eardrum.
So tympana, same thing?
Tympanum, tympanic membrane, same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no,
That's the clear part with the
clear
red?
part.
Okay.
10.
Okay. Then we have three bones, the bones of your middle ear, the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. And I don't want them to call anvil, hammer, and stirrups, okay? I want malleus. Malleus is number 12.
Okay, that's the long bone. That's the weird.
Incus is number 11.
It's a weird hammer shape.
And then you guys are missing the stapes, which is number 8.
Is it on here on the diagram?
It's the little part sticking out.
Yeah, this part right here.
Okay.
Well, that's not fair. Oh.
But you can see it right here.
Oh, we used to have it.
Yeah. Okay, does everybody see the stapes?
No, let me see. I didn't see it, I'm sorry. Where are you pointing? Oh, that, okay.
The little bone, the little wishbone.
The wishbone. Uh-huh.
I need to start taking stuff apart.
Okay, so what happens is, Stan can't get this together. What happened? No. What happens is the sound, the airwaves, the sound waves are concentrated in your pinna, run through your auditory canal, where they vibrate the tympanum, which sets up the vibrations going into the stapes. And then that goes into your inner ear, where we have the cochlea, which is whatever number that is.
That's not a number, that's a scratch.
Oh, right there.
14. That's
The
14.
cochlea right here, this sort of like snail-shaped thing.
Let me see. Looks like a shell. Okay.
Okay. Then we have the eustachian tube, which is also in your book is called the auditory tube. This is number 19. On kids, these things fill up with fluid, and so they'll actually put little tubes in the ears to allow them to drain.
Wait, where's that part at?
Number 19.
Oh, that part right there, okay.
So where exactly is the eardrum when they say you busted your eardrum? That's it, the
The
tympanum.
tympanum.
Okay.
Okay. Then the vestibular system, and the semicircular canals is like number 12 and I don't know if
The
there's
round
other,
pretzel looking
the
part.
round things here. And these have actually liquid in them and cells with little cilia. And the semicircular canals, these are responsible for your sense of balance, okay? And so when you jostle them, That's when you lose your balance, and they contribute greatly to seasickness.
Oh.
Okay, because of the movement.
What's that
These are called the semicircular canals.
Is there a way to train them? Is there a way to make your balance better? Is there a way to improve your semicircular?
No, when you have vertigo, is that when that affects that right there? Yeah. Or when you're walking and you feel like you're going to lean to one side and fall?
And I've always wanted to try that vomit comet that totally removes. So you have complete vertigo. And actually, when I
up in NASA.
when I was much younger, when I used to keep my pilot's license current, one of the things we would do that they would test us on is the instructor would take you up and you'd put on this hood where all you could see was your instruments, and then they would start running you through all these maneuvers, these aerobatic maneuvers, and the point was to you'd completely lose your sense of balance. You wouldn't know up from down or anything. And then what they would do is give you the controls back, and you're supposed to analyze if you're going up, down, or where you are, and then from there adjust. And it was to teach you how to fly through clouds and things like that. Now they have people, the pilots, the commercial pilots, they have instrument ratings, so they can do that. But for us, with just visual rules, that's what they used. And so, what my tester did was he ran through all these things, put the plane in a very steep climb, and then flipped it down into a steep dive, and gave me the controls. This was like the second or third time I was trying it. But what he didn't tell me, and I found out, I knew this, I'd learned it in class, but every once in a while you learn best by experience, is that your instruments are usually several seconds behind what's actually happened. You take the pressure changes, that's how they operate, and you need those pressure changes. It takes them a few seconds to catch up. So I get the plane, and I see we're going up, okay, we're going slow, we're getting ready to stall. So the first thing I do is slam the controls down, give it full power, and all of a sudden I watch the altimeter and the airspeed just go. They were